ladies and gentlemen. Bulabinaka and good morning. After listening to PS, I just wanted to say I agree with whatever he has said. It's all there. And let us go ahead and implement it and then see whether the pudding really tastes the way we want it to. But, you know, my role requires that I have to read a written speech. So, yeah, like PS said, this thing has been long coming. 2016, almost a decade now. And there have been people working behind the scene to make it happen. The last 2 years that I have been in office, I remember Duru, our head of IT, coming, going, talking here, talking there, going to ITC and doing all sorts of things, getting stuck somewhere and then, you know, sometimes hitting the brick wall, coming and discussing his frustrations with us. And, but finally we made it across the line. So thank you very much. So today marks a significant milestone in our ongoing commitment to enhancing workplace standards. It is with great pleasure and enthusiasm that I stand before you to officially launch the paperless labor inspection system. A groundbreaking initiative born from the collaborative efforts of International Labour Organization and the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Workplace Relations. In an era where technology is reshaping every facet of our lives, it is imperative that we embrace innovative, means to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of our service delivery. The paperless labor inspection system is not only a technological upgrade, it is a transformative approach that will revolutionize how we conduct inspections, report findings, and ultimately safeguard the rights and welfare of workers. The initiative is a testament to our unwavering commitment to fostering a fair and equitable workplace. By digitizing our labor inspection processes, we are not only streamlining operations, but also enhancing transparency and accountability. The new system will allow inspectors to conduct their work with greater ease, efficiency, and accuracy, ensuring that we can respond swiftly to any issue that may arise at the workplace. The benefits of this system are manifold. First and foremost, it will reduce the administrative burden on our inspectors, allowing them to focus more on their core mission, and that is protecting workers' rights and ensuring minimum standards are adhered to. With real-time data collection and reporting, we will be able to identify trends and areas of concern more effectively, enabling us to make proactive measures to address potential violations before they actually escalate. Let me add here, ladies and gentlemen, that a large majority of employers do comply with minimum standards. And I would like to thank them. But there are those, however, that require regular monitoring, and our officers do just that. Moreover, the paperless labor inspection system will enhance communication and collaboration among stakeholders. Employers, employees, and government agencies can share information, report concerns, and track the progress of inspections. This level of engagement will foster a culture of compliance and mutual respect, ultimately benefiting everyone involved. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the International Labour Organization for the invaluable support and assistance throughout this project, and of course, all other projects that we are involved in together. Thank you very much, ILO. Your commitment to promoting decent work and social justice has been instrumental in bringing this vision to fruition. Together, we are setting a new standard for labor inspection. To all our inspectors who will be utilizing the new system, I encourage you to embrace this change with open arms. You are the frontline defenders of workers' rights, and this tool will empower you to carry out your vital work more effectively. Your dedication and professionalism are the backbone of our labor inspection framework, and I have no doubt that you will rise to the occasion. As we embark on this new chapter, let us remember that the paperless labor inspection is not an end in itself, but rather a means to an end. Our ultimate goal is to create a workplace culture that values and protects every worker, ensuring that they can thrive in an environment free from exploitation and discrimination. In closing, I urge you all, employers and workers' organizations and other stakeholders, to join in this journey towards a more efficient, transparent, and equitable labor inspection system. Together, we can build a future where our workplaces are safe, productive, and inclusive. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your presence. Vinakavakalevu and Dhanyavad.